Hello everyone. In this problem statement, we will discuss uh, through a problem we are addressing and the solution we have developed. Imagine a scenario where diagnosing eye disease relies heavily on manual analysis, leading to delays treatment and increased risk of eye disease. Our project aims to tackle this challenge and leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. The first step in our workflow is gathering the different types of set of eye images. We have curated different data set representing different stages of eye disease, ensuring our model learns from wide range of cases. We will first put our image into the pre-processing steps. In this pre-processing step, we will convert our image into standardized format, converting to grayscale and normalizing pixel value. This step ensures that our model receives the consistent and meaningful impact. Now let's talk about the heart of our solution, the convolution neural network architecture. In this convolution neural architecture, the first step is a convolution layer. This layer apply convolution involves sliding filter, means it will extract the important features such as textures, patterns, and edges like that. And after that, we will put that value into max pool layer, which will extract the max pool value in a region, reducing the dimensionality while preserving important feature. After that, we will put that into the fully connected layer. uh, it may have one or more fully connected layer. These layers connect every neuron to every neuron in adjacent layer, allowing the network to learn global patterns. After that step, we will proceed into the training phase. In this training phase, uh, we will, with our model architecture in place, we move on the training phase. This involves exposing the models to our pre-processed dataset, allowing it to learn and adapt its parameter to recognize distinct pattern and associated with different eye condition. After that training phase, we will evaluate our model's performance on separate set of images. To that separate set of images, this step ensures that our solution can generalize well to new and unseen cases.